GenAI for DevOps engineers, 30 days, real labs, real workflows. Launch price, $39, limited seats. This program is built to fix exactly that. Not theory, not buzzwords, not build chat. We focus on practical GenAI skills that directly map to real DevOps workflows. This is not a video-only course. You'll get guided, hands-on labs, real environments, time-bound, controlled access, exercises that mirror real DevOps plus GenAI usage. 30 Days of AI Agents is a hands-on program designed to help learners understand, build, and evaluate modern AI agents using popular open-source frameworks. Over 4 weeks, participants will build AI agents using tools such as N8N, Crew AI, Llama Index, LangGraph, and Small Agents. Duration 30 days. Format live instructor-led sessions. Hands-on, yes, guided labs and exercises.
Let's look at question 14. In the context of generative AI, what are embeddings and how are they used in the model's operations? And then we have 4 options. Option A, embeddings are raw text data inputs that are directly fed into the model without any preprocessing. Option B, embeddings are vector representations of words or phrases that capture their meanings and relationships used by the model to understand and generate contextually relevant text. Option C, embeddings are output layers of a neural network that produce the final generated text. Option D, embeddings are metadata tags that are added to the input text to improve model performance. To solve this question, the first step is to understand the purpose of each option and then eliminate one that clearly doesn't fit. Understand the concept. Recognize that embeddings are crucial for how the model represents and processes text, capturing the meaning and relationships between words in a numerical format. Discard options that confuse embeddings with raw text data, output layers, or metadata, as these do not accurately reflect the role of embeddings in generative AI. Now match the feature to the need. Identify that embeddings are related to how the model understands and generates text, aligning with option B. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, embeddings are raw text data inputs. This is incorrect because embeddings are not raw text. They are process vector representations that the model uses to understand the input text. Option B, embeddings are vector representations of words or phrases. Embeddings are dense vector representations of words, phrases, or even sentences that capture semantic meanings and relationships between them. In generative AI models, embeddings are crucial for transforming text into a format that the model can process effectively. These vectors allow the model to understand the context, similarities, and relationships between different words or phrases, enabling it to generate contextually relevant and coherent text. Option C, embeddings are output layers of a neural network. This is incorrect because embeddings are used internally in the model to represent input data, not as the final output. Option D, embeddings are metadata tags. This is incorrect because embeddings are not metadata. They are numerical representations that capture the meaning and context of the text, which are used in the model's internal computations. By applying this reasoning, option B is the correct answer.